Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to solve Samsung speaker sound not working during call problem on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings, then go to sounds and vibration. Now just tap on volume and from here just increase the volume on your smartphone. Just like that. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the dialer app. Now just tap on the eye icon, then go to storage. Now just select clear cache and clear all data. Now after that, just restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the quick settings and tap on the power icon and select restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now if this did not fix your issue, just open the Samsung Members app, then go to Diagnostics. Now just select Phone Diagnostics. Now just go back and select Stop Diagnostics. Now from here, just select Speaker to test the speakers on your smartphone. Now from here, let's test the speakers on our smartphone if they are working or not. Now if the speakers are working on your smartphone, just tap on yes. And if the speakers are not working, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can solve Samsung speaker sound not working during call problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.